Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Skrill account. So if you want to log into your Skrill account, first of all you have to open up your Skrill application. And after opening your Skrill application, just tap on login, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on login, now you have to enter your email address and password. And after entering your email address and password, now tap on login. And after tapping on login, it will ask you to enable fingerprint login, or you can also create a PIN to log in your Skrill account. So I would like to choose a PIN. And after entering your PIN, here you can see welcome to Skrill. So this is how you can log into your Skrill account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.